Here we are looking at the Nakto Ranger. This is sold by Electric Bike Paradise, and this is my choice of bike if you live in an area with some really steep hills and you're looking for a little extra assist to get up those. Here is the motor. It is a very strong motor that has no problem pushing me around, and I weigh 200 pounds. And I highly recommend this company. They offer very good discounts, and also their customer service is great. So give it a check out. And the Nakto Ranger, the newest bike, newest and greatest, best e-bike out there. Thank you so much, Electric Bike Paradise. You guys are great. One happy customer.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.